Hi, my name is Bren Larsen, and I am a mother of 5 kids, and we just moved from the United States to the Netherlands, and we've lived in a few different countries, in Taiwan and Australia, and in the DC area as well. But I love creating, and my husband's really creative too, and so I feel like it's just a really big part of our family culture. We spend lots of time decorating and baking and trying to slow down, but sometimes ironically we speed up because we just get so excited and want to do all the projects and all the activities. I really like sewing during the holiday season, especially with the mind of giving it to somebody, because I feel like so much during the year I'm sewing for myself or developing patterns, or it's a little more business minded, and during the holidays it's like, oh, I'm giving this to somebody. The motivation changes a little bit, and thinking about the person. I like to make things for my mom, for her birthday or for Christmas as well. Just the intention is different, and I appreciate that. Well, I love like needle cord, like the really thin corduroy. I think there's something just so beautiful and cozy about it. Also velvet, I think is fun too. I mean, right, just a little bit extra for the holidays is nice, and it's kind of cozy. I do tend to gravitate more towards like brighter colors for Christmas. I like the pinks and the bright greens and the golds. I feel like all of our Christmas decor is in that palette. It's not red and green. It's like light blue, and it's happy. It feels very bright and happy to me. I always make pajamas for all of my kids and my husband. Last year, I made him pajamas too. I go to a cute little ribbon shop and get different strings for all of them. And then mine ended up being a mismatch of everybody's colors because I ran out of fabric. So I have like random pockets of different colors. But and then of course, like cute little tags that say like one of a kind or made by mama. I said, how important is this to you on a scale of 1 to 10? Because if you don't care, then I'm not going to do it. But if you like it, I'll keep doing it. And I think they all were like, no, that's important. Like, keep doing it. We love it. Christmas carols around the piano. It's a little cheesy, but we love it, and that's fun. I do think the holidays are a good time to be at home. And that's what we typically do. Yeah, we're not running around traveling. We're usually staying at home, doing the projects, spending time together, staying up too late, eating too many sweets, but being really happy and fulfilled.